Kublai Pibero, Naga Dr. Clarity Marwin, physiotherapist, bagi assistant professor jangka Northeast Adventist University, Awanra Shapi Kanika Kubor, ban Pentep BP Kipat Bak ke East Gentia Hills District, tak daw ka health camp hiyo to waka kejut chini, kawa daw man haka kadru terik me arhajar al-kusong. Kani ke health camp to kawa penman ka physiotherapy department yang ke Northeast Adventist University Klittershi in collaboration with Maya Multi-Speciality Clinic. Deha kani ke sli do man program kami. Kanta wanungkong do ke tes yang ke chini, kabenta wa ar do ke medical management yang ke chini, kawa chem do Dr. Nichwa LS Nongtudu, senior consultant and diabetologist, ex-senior resident of VMMC and South Darjung Hospital, New Delhi, medical monitor PV and clinical research of Bharat Serum and Vaccine, Mumbai. With Dr. Robert John Nongtudu, ex-medical officer of Children's Hospital and medical superintendent of Maya Multi-Speciality Clinic. Kabenta walay do ka screening yung kithet kejat. Hiyo to o kachini kawam yak hamad ka Dr. Junita Kanday, Master of Physiotherapy in Neurology, with HOD yung ka Physiotherapy Department, Northeast Adventist University, wagi kena puri yung ka Northeast Adventist University. Kabenta ka waso do ka jinyada, waga jinsumar, ni ka counseling, ni jimpan siya to, ni ka diabetic foot, Neman ka kejat hiyo to o kachini kawam yak hamad ka Dr. Clarity Marwin, Master of Physiotherapy in Community Physiotherapy, Assistant Professor yung ka Northeast Adventist University. Kita kawasan do ka jimbatay hiyo to kabam ka di yung kachini o yak hamad ka Dr. Alji Wazir Telang, Clinical Physiotherapist yung ka Maya Multi-Speciality Clinic. Dikerpa ikipat bak iwa yung kapujat chini uwan ki syakani ka health camp yo ki kejing sumar ba kejing batay hey to wa kejing chini ka registration sedang ka naka khandai uji istep hadu khadwi uji kuble shibul the Khajik Chapanga University yong I ka Northeast Adventist University ko haklit ta si jowai wada bon ki course ki wa offer hay ni nado ki MA ki BA BBA BCom BSc BSc MLT, DMLT, BSc Nursing, waka BPT. Ina ka Physiotherapy Department offer ka Bachelors of Physiotherapy wuto ka course sos namjitin ka admission da Y ko yaki pass 12 science with 45%. Kuble shibun.